The number one source of pain is lower back pain. That is why there are so many tools for lower back pain. This is Estelle, and today I'm going to break down what this is, how to use it, and if it's even worth having, all from the expertise of a medical massage therapist. Hey Nova, what's up? Oh, don't worry. They know to like, follow, and subscribe. Everyone wants to empower their healing. This is called a sacral wedgy. Yeah, I didn't name it. They have a shape for female and male sacrum. They are a slightly different shape. This is a positional release tool designed to decompress the sacroiliac joint, this area here. A lot of people feel pain here. All you do is lay on a firm surface like the floor and position your sacrum on the wedgie and lay there for 5 to 15 minutes depending on your tolerance. You can reduce the intensity by only doing the foam base first, but just until you're used to it, and then kick it up a notch by adding the rubber part. I use this tool all the time, and I give it 2 thumbs up. If there's a product you want me to review next time, leave it in the comments. Thank you so much for watching. Comment below if you have any questions.